The 2007 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, rear window defroster, fog lights, power windows, MP3 playback stereo, side airbag system, moonroof, daytime running lights, leather, brake assist, tilt steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.